Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome again to another edition on Lolwe TV Fitness. Karibuni sana here at Lolwe. We're here on Mondays, Wednesday and Friday with our crew from Elixir Wellness Kenya, elixirwellnesskenya.com. Asanteni sana for joining us. Don't forget you can interact with us on the socials, Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya. Don't forget you can ask us any questions about the workouts, about whatever you need, except about other things that are not workout related. Yeah? Grab your water while we warm up. Don't forget to get your water. It's extremely important to stay hydrated. Tunaanzaga tu hapa mdogo mdogo. Yeah? Leo hiyo ngoma imeanza tu na Coach Benza. Umesemaje? Leo ni machi mpaka towel. Aya, walk. Aya, side. Let's go here. Hapa. Full sit-ups, yes? Coach Benza, hata ukisema no, bora ufanye. Remember at home, if you can't do sit-ups yet, stick with the crunches. And up we get. Hapa twende. And 10 scissors. Remember to protect your lower back. Raise it a bit off the ground, either with a towel or with your hands. And rest. Benza hiyo rest yako ulianza saa ngapi? Acha tumemaliza. Hey. Haya. Don't forget to drink water. And walk it out. Haya. Guys at home, if it's getting a bit intense for you, remember you can rest at any point. All the videos are on YouTube anyway. Just search on YouTube for Lolwe TV Fitness. Yeah? Mtatuona hapo. From day dot. Guys, are we ready? I'm another 30 seconds.
Born ready.
Hey, you were born ready. I like that spirit, Coach Bender. Yeah? Ndio kitasa watu huko wasicomplain ati wewe uwezangi kwa Lolwe. Na hapo unatutesa. All right, guys. Let's go again. We're jumping over, then crunches, then jumping over, then push-ups here, then jumping over, then leg raises, jumping over. Remember, guys, I told me if you've got a step, that will make this harder. Let's go. Crunches here. Remember, chin is not on your chest. Imagine a tennis ball here. Leave that space there, yes? Go. Atwende. Let's go, push-ups. And back up. Let's go. 3, 7, 8. Leg raises. Remember your back. 8. Let's jump. Let's go. Sit-ups. Let's go. You've got this. You're talking to yourself. Let's go. And then scissors, yes? Let's go. Scissors. Rest. Hey. Si wewe uendelee. Kasi tuna rest. Coach Benda anasema si tungeendelea tu. Na mambo ya wajibambe. Yeah. Guys at home, remember, this rest period is a freestyle period. You can do whatever you want. Just keep moving, yes? And don't forget, hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya. Yeah. Afrofab, Coach Bender. think we've had enough rest, yes? No? Maybe? Let's go! Hey! 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go now, BTM mziki, twende. Hey, twende, contest! And 10, let's go back. Jumping over. Mayo. Aya, let's go. Haya, hapo kwenye push-ups. Sorry. And jump. Let's go, guys. Twende, msichoke. Yeah, I'm joking. That's the end of the Haya. Let's go. Leg raises. Remember to protect your lower back, yes? I think I want to slope. I feel like my right side is working more. Mayo. Leg raises. Let's go. Sit-ups. I'm on a slope, mate. Give me that face, the same side. Step over. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Scissors. Who's cheating? Afrofab. Even though we to Samuel. And rest. Mayo. Remember active rest. So we're moving. Keep to keep high intensity, yes? Sindo. Ile style yako inaitwaje? Kegosho. Sifanye kegosho sasa. You're on break. Right, guys? Let's just walk it out here. Walk it out. Remember, on this show, we have active rest. If you really feel like you're new to this and it's a bit difficult, you can take a still break, but please stay standing. Yes? Stay standing while you catch your breath. Make sure you drink some water. A lot of water. You can walk to the fridge. Just don't grab any sausages while you're there. Open. Right, guys, let's go. I know this week has been intense, guys, I know. But I promise you, you will reap the rewards of your hard work. What walikula Valentine's? Swap hands. Forward, both hands. Lakini nilikula hii Valentine's. Ulikula nini Valentine's, guys? Cake. Fair. Kuna walaji wa fair. And bend. Back up. Go wider. Really bend down. And let's go again. Wider this time. Let's go. And back up. And reach over to one side. And over. And go wider now. And reach over. And really walk it out. Walk. Walk as far out as you can. And reach over to the other side. And bring it up. And up. Hands together. And push out. And as you come back in, bring that knee up. Pull up. Coach Bend. Lolwe pitia wapi?
Ni Friday bwana. Friday.
Knees together and pull back. Make sure your upper body is, you're not leaning. And switch over. Bring the other knee up. And really push up as far as you can. Bring it back. And bring one leg over and your body over to that side. This is all balancing. Switch over. Come on in. Take a deep breath in, guys. And out. And in again. And out. And one more time in. And out. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us. And thank you for sticking with it. I know at times it seems intense. If you keep coming every week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, promise you, gets a bit easier. I make it a bit harder every time. So don't think that you're not making progress. You are making progress. I just make it harder. It's my job. But I want you to be stronger. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget, we're here on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Search for us, Lolwe TV Fitness. You can catch us on the TV. Yeah, 5:30 in the morning. But you can also watch all our other shows that we've done on YouTube, Lolwe TV Fitness. So search for Lolwe TV Kenya. And don't forget to interact with us on the socials, hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya. And thank you so much for joining us. Karibuni tena. Namaste.
Okay.